Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to Jake's Breaks. We're in the middle of March Madness here, watching some college basketball today, but I wanted to open a little bit of football. We've opened a lot of basketball and baseball so far on our channel and not a lot of football, so I went to my local card shop today, Legends Sports and Games in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and picked up a box of Unparalleled Football. Still blown away by how expensive football product has gotten this year. So many good rookies, so many good players, so price is going up, and I'm hoping that I can make this one worth it. So we'll see. It looks like there's 8 cards per pack, 8 packs per box, 64 cards, and here we go. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. We're on YouTube, we're on Instagram. So a lot of cool product. We've enjoyed doing it, and hoping you guys are enjoying watching our content. So without further ado, here we go. It's a cool looking box. I really like the box, the packaging, and from what I've seen, the cards are pretty cool looking as well. All right, Patrick Peterson, Khalil Mack, Malcolm Butler. We've got Corey Robertson rookie card. Very cool looking. Like I said, I think these are very cool looking cards. I don't know a whole lot about this product. It looks like there's some parallels in there. This one's got the shine written down there at the bottom. I'm assuming that's a parallel of some sort. Same with this one. We got Cyril Grayson with the stars in the background there. That one's numbered out of 200. Cyril Grayson. So cool looking card. Let's see what that is. Astral parallel. Pioneers Jack Lambert insert. It's a cool looking card. Josh Adams rookie card. And a Baker Mayfield rookie card. I like that. Cool. Not anything... not a parallel on that Baker, but hey, it's good to get a Baker card. So let's see that pack. I'll save that one for a little bit. Looks like we got a thick card in here though as well. So we shall see. Bring this one to the front. James Washington rookie card. Austin Traylor rookie card. Joey Bosa. Julio Jones, cool card. The Flight parallel. Got Calvin Ridley rookie card. That's a Flight as well. Kyle Allen rookie card. And let's see what we got here. All right. We have got a Michael Gallup. Very cool RPA card. Not bad at all. Not numbered, but still a very cool looking card. Michael Gallup, the Cowboys receiver, had a good year last year, so hopefully he continues to improve. Michael Gallup. And, yep, last card was Carlton Davis. So, all right. Ryan Quigley. We've got a Julio Jones Star Factor insert die cut card. That's very cool. Not numbered. Good looking card. All right. Phillip Rivers. Sam Shields. Joel Bitonio rookie card. Devontae Adams High Flyers card. Anthony Miller rookie card. And Dalton Schultz. right. Tyler Larson, rookie card. J.D. McKissick. Deion Dawkins. Josh Rosen, rookie card. That's pretty cool. It's going to be that flight parallel as well. Ezekiel Elliott. It's a cool looking card. That's numbered out of 75. 25 out of 75 on that. Cool. Very cool. Good card. And we've got a hit here. We've got a Christian Kirk jersey card. So, Christian Kirk, Cardinals player. That is not numbered either. Cool looking card. Malik Jefferson rookie card. And Antonio Callaway, the new Browns receiver. All right. A.J. McCarron, former Alabama quarterback. Let's see. Alvin Kamara. Roosevelt Nix rookie card, the flight parallel. Teddy Bridgewater. Looks like that's the shine. Ronald Jones rookie card for the Bucks. Bright Futures, Le'Veon Bell. Cool looking card. Not numbered. Very cool. The new Jets running back. Got Nathan Shepard, another Jets player, and Roquan Smith. All right, Blake Bortles, Justin Hardy, Neil Sterling rookie card, Jordan Lasley rookie card, the Ito Smith rookie card. That's a Whirl parallel. Cool. Rookie focus on Josh Allen. Cool looking card, not numbered, but a little insert on Josh Allen, the Bills quarterback. Ronnie Harrison, and Riley Ferguson. Be interesting to see how the quarterbacks in this class do next year. You got Baker Mayfield, obviously, with the Browns, who had a good year. And now he's loaded with talent with Beckham and Landry. And now they got Kareem Hunt. They had Nick Chubb already. And you got Josh Allen, who had a pretty decent year with the Bills. They're looking to rebound and kind of improve. And same with Josh Rosen there with the Cardinals, you know. A lot of people gave up on Goff, it seems like. And obviously he rebounded with a Super Bowl appearance this year. So be interesting to see how those guys all do in year two. Deonta Foreman. Rashard Matthews. Dak Prescott. Tanner Lee, rookie card. Odell Beckham. It's the Whirl, numbered out of 100. Cool looking card. Speaking of Jared Goff, there he is, victorious insert. Corey Robertson and Derwin James. All right, last pack. Let's hope for a boomer here. All right. Jarvis Landry, Alex Smith, LeGarrette Blount, James Hurst rookie card, the shine parallel, DeAndre Hopkins. Oh, here's the last one here. Last auto, Tremaine Edmonds. Very cool. Tremaine Edmonds autograph. So, the Bills player again. Not bad. All right. Last two cards here. Levon Coleman and Leighton Vander Esch. Very nice. All right, everybody. That was a little look at Unparalleled Football there. No crazy hits there, but definitely some cool looking cards. We got the Tremaine Edmonds autographed card. We've got the Christian Kirk jersey card. Ezekiel Elliott insert there. Numbered, I think that was out of 75. Julio Jones die cut card. And probably the best card in the box, the Michael Gallup patch auto. So, all in all, not too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And hopefully, like I said, you guys enjoy the content and keep coming back. Thanks for watching.